Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the sign-in problem error in Amazon Shopping app in 2026. Seeing a sign-in problem in Amazon Shopping app can be stressful, especially when you're trying to check orders or make a purchase. In 2026, this issue is usually caused by incorrect login details, app glitches, or account security checks. So let's fix it step by step. Now, before we start, the Amazon Shopping app is both available on Android and iOS devices. You can find this in the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using, just by looking for the Amazon Shopping app. And once you find this, you're going to click on install and you can shop with your Amazon app. Now, to fix the sign-in problem, the first thing you want to do is to double check your login details. Make sure your email or your phone number is correct. Once you do that, you're going to also turn off the caps lock while entering the password, so you won't enter a wrong password. The second thing you can do is to reset your password. Now, if you're unsure about your password, you can tap on Forget Password under your email, then follow the reset steps sent by Amazon. You're going to find them in your Gmail or your inbox in your Gmail app. Then you're going to follow the reset steps and make sure you enter your phone number, etc. And if that doesn't work, try updating the Amazon app. You're going to go to the Play Store or App Store and then look for the Amazon Shopping app. And as you can see, you can check in if an update is available. And if it is, you're going to click on Update and wait for the update to be completed. Then you're going to restart the app and see if it works and the login works. If it doesn't, you're going to check the internet and disable the VPNs. You can do that by dropping down this bar right here and make sure you switch between Wi-Fi networks and you choose mobile data if it is faster and turn off the VPNs or proxies. Now, most Amazon sign-in problems are quick fixes. Once your credentials and apps are updated, you should be able to log in normally again. And this is it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.